Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain how you can transfer coins between different cryptocurrency exchanges, as I see a lot of newbies having struggles and confusions with this process. If you noticed, I've been mentioning the Binance exchange in some of my videos. That's not to say that this is the only one or necessarily the best one for you, but it is definitely one of the biggest and most popular exchanges. Through them you can buy, sell and trade all of the main coins. They have a professional and safe platform, and they keep innovating and being up to date with everything related to the blockchain and cryptocurrency world. For that reason, I'll use them for some of my examples. However, similar principles can be applied exactly the same in other exchanges. Anyway, Binance is a great place to start with, and if you want to use this platform, you can open an account through the links in the description below, where you will get a great discount on fees, which can help you a lot in your bottom line profits. I also encourage you to check out the video I made about exchanges in my cryptocurrency day trading course. You can find the link below, and there I explain exactly how to open an account and how to get going. But as I mentioned, today what I want to focus on is how to move cryptocurrency from one exchange to another. There are many exchanges out there. To name just a few of the leading ones, beside Binance of course, we have Bittrex, Kraken, Poloniex, KuCoin and Bitfinex. Now there are some differences between them, as they offer different coins and also operate differently in terms of policy and regulation with different countries. So I suggest that before you choose your exchange, you also check about the conditions for someone in your country who want to use that particular exchange. I also recommend that you read objective reviews from users and check their customer support, website and overall credibility. So let's say now that you have a certain amount of crypto that for whatever reason you want to transfer into another exchange. The process is not as you used to when you worked with the bank, right? There you would use a check, a debit card or an ATM machine, but here it's a bit different. But after you get used to it, you'll see it's quite simple, definitely faster and usually also much cheaper. So first of all, you need to get to your wallet. Now wallets might be different between different exchanges, but the same principle applies to all of them. You will normally have a feature saying send, request or transfer. When you go there, you'll have the option to send funds and fill in the details of the recipient, the amount you want to transfer, and then send the funds. But to do that, you need to know the address of the wallet that's going to receive the coins. This address might look scary when you first do it, as this is a long and encrypted series of alphanumeric digits, usually more than 30 in length. This address is unique and cannot be duplicated. And in order to get this address to which you are going to send the coins, you simply ask the person that you want to send the coins for his address. Or if you are sending it to yourself into another account that you own, what you need to do is go to the recipient wallet, and just as you have the option to send funds, you'll have an option to deposit or receive funds. You simply click on it and you'll get the required address. You can copy it and paste it on your sending wallet. You can also use a QR code that will read the address. But what is super important is that when you make the transaction, you have to make sure that you are sending it to the right network and the right coin. If you are sending in Bitcoin, then make sure you are sending it to a Bitcoin address and not Litecoin or any other altcoin, and through the Bitcoin network and not through the Ethereum network. If you send it wrongly to the wrong coin or through the wrong network, the money will simply disappear and you will not be able to recover it. So my suggestion to you is, first of all, check at least twice before you submit your action, and secondly, especially if it's a large sum of money, start with a very small transaction. Send 0.001 or the minimum that you can and see that it goes through. If it does, complete the full transfer. If it doesn't, then at least you didn't lose much money, and now you can find a mistake, fix it and resend the coins properly. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have more questions, feel free to reply and contact. Don't forget to subscribe for lots of valuable content to come, and I'm going to see you on the next video.